further give more information to dispatch or go back to the team?
10-4, standby.
1 Foxtrot 20.
Hello?
10-8, 1041. I have a 10-12 with 2 Paul 46.
Receive.
I wasn't even anywhere near my panic.
Yeah, okay, bud.
You say something?
Okay, in there, what? The sword incident.
Charles 10.
It fucking has swearing.
The 911 call about the explosion.
Receive.
New dispatch,
should've gone the other side.
277 Panorama Gas,
The other side.
277.
Hey, or not. There we go. Hey, buddy! Oh, shit. Buddy!
What you want?
1 Foxtrot 20, be advised, new call sign in 1 Union 20.
It's really loud up and you're really hot. Okay, I just need you to turn the truck off and step out.
New call sign
Why do
will
I
be
need to step
1
out?
Union 20.
I want to talk to you.
10-4, thank you.
Can't you just talk to make it clear to each other?
No, because you're really high up. And you still have the truck. Whoa, do not drive towards me, sir. Oh, okay.
Or what are those big old pokey things? Oh!
Stop the...
Not even on my screen.
Sure, watch out, Bart.
Receive dispatch to all Leo units if you could respond to 277 Panorama Gas for shots fired.
1 Foxtrot 20 on scene.
Receive.
County, officer down.
Received. All units respond 277 Panorama Gas Station for officer down.
I can't feel my legs.
Signal 9.
Signal 100 is now in effect.
Dispatch Chief 2, if I could have you respond
Sir,
to the
if you can
Cindy
hear me,
Fire
show me your
Station
hands.
stage for shots fired, officer down.
Sir, if you can hear me, show me your hands.
Copy. Chief 2, you can show me your responding.
Receive.
Show me your hands. I'm gonna move up. I shot him a couple times. He might be 1144.
Make 3 control.
Sir, can you hear me?
Medic.
New
Sir,
dispatch,
stop the truck.
10299.
Why am I bleeding?
Officer in lethal distress.
Sir, you've been shot. Okay,
277
be
Panorama
quiet
Gas,
and put up your hands.
277.
Oh my god.
Put your hands up. 1077 just jumped off the roof.
No move.
Can we get medical around?
Receive. Their staging at the Sandy Fire Station.
Sir, don't move.
They...
User joined your channel.
Advise, I think he's trying to explode the gas pump.
There's no reason to believe that. Alright, sir, I'm placing you in cuffs just for our safety and for yours.
It hurts.
2 out of 1, you can have medical going.
Receive. Chief 2, Medic 3. You're cleared to roll in 277 at the gas station.
Chief 2, a copy. Show my units. Rolling in.
Receive.
Go up there and check on the deputy.
Oh, what the heck?